Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission off of any purchases. All right, so today we're doing number 265. If we start with this box, looks like we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 6. Don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. We've got a 2 and 3 here, so this is our 8. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got the 4 here, so 1, 6. 1 here, so 4, 6. And 6 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 7. We've got a 3 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 6 here, so 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. No help here. 1, 2, 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 2. And a 6 here, so 1, 2. So that means our 6 has to be here. For this box now, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got the 3 there, so 1, 2. And since the 3 can't be there or there, it must be here. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 7. 6 here, so 1, 7. That means our 6 has to be here. That 6 makes this our 4. 1, 6. The 1 makes this our 6. 1. For this column now, looks like we're missing a 1. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. Got a 1 here, so 2, 3. 3 covering both of these boxes, and a 1 there. Means this is our 2, 1, 3. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7, 2. For this row now, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 3 here, so 8, 3. For this box now, looks like we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this top row then, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing a 9. For this box, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 9. Don't see any other help, so 1, 7. But this 2 makes this our 1, so this is our 7, 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. That 2 makes this our 1 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.